So welcome back guys. So today we are going to solve the next question in this SQL series, that is employee names. So the question is, write a query that prints a list of employee names, that is name attribute from employee table in alphabetical order. I think this is much easy question than the previous questions in the series. Okay, whatever it is. So here they have given the employee table, and what we have to print, we have to print a list of employee names from the employee table. Okay, so we have to print the name, okay, and in alphabetical orders. Okay, so just we have to add the order by and use select query. Select what is the column name. I think column name should be name. Okay, column name is name, and I will copy the table name. Control C, select name from Control V from employee table, and we are going to use order by name. Okay, so we wanted the names in alphabetical order, so I am using order by, and I think that's it. Why it is not submitting? I think it is taking much time. Okay, that's the simple question. Okay, so thank you guys.